Terrence the Pterodactyl.
Hey people.
The Dumb Geek. We're at the car show. Seattle Auto Show. And I love cars.
He's a dumb.
And we're going to be taking videos, so check me out. Terrence the T-Rex. That's t-rex.com. Take it easy.
I'm on YouTube.
Bumblebee Camaro.
He puts me on YouTube every day. If you go on YouTube and look up Dixon.com, that's my YouTube channel. Where did you get that though? What? My camera? My camera? Did I get my camera? Dad got it. Daddy, Terrence, guys. Oh, he wants to look. Hey, dog.
What if you accidentally?
Woo!